Jeff Bernard with Solve Systems here, and today, as part of our OpenAI API series to go over all of the API endpoints for OpenAI, we're going to go over the Embeddings Endpoint. What this allows us to do is take information and make vectors out of it to create embeddings. And it sounds pretty complicated, but all it is taking the context information, so the words, breaking them into tokens and into vectors to be stored in a vector database to be able to be looked up against to give our large language model a context for roughly what we're talking about. So we'll look at it right now. If we look at our Postman endpoint right here, we have some information. So we have our root URL, and if you go back into other parts of the YouTube series from us for this or other parts of the playlist, you can see the other endpoints, and this will sort of all add up to a mini project which we'll do in Microsoft Logic Apps to show an implementation of this. But this is the embeddings endpoint, this is the base URL, and this is the root for embeddings. And then we have a body of it in JSON. So our model is text embedding ADA 002. And the input is this information. So this is going to be what the vectors will be created out of, and we'll give it the encoding format of floats, right? So our vectors or actual floats representation of the characters, and the user is sample user 123. So we'll make a call, and we can see that the response is an object. It's a list and data, and we get the index of 0, and then the object is embedding, and then the embeddings are the actual vector representations of the string here. So it takes that string, and then it sends it into the embeddings endpoint, and we get back an object of vectors that look like this. This can be written to something like Pinecone or PG Vector or any other vector database, and so it'll give our language model context as to the words that it's going to anticipate to give back. And so this is a great way to give context and a very quick way to get up and running with the embeddings endpoint. Hope this was helpful. Like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell for further notifications from our channel. And if you need any development help, please reach out. I'd love to help you on your projects, and we'll talk to you later. Have a good one.